How do you guys deal with negative thoughts about during affirming, slash visualization? So, for example, whenever I affirm something, my mind says, oh, it won't happen because of this, or it is not here yet. Whenever I try to stop a thought, it comes back stronger. How do I just let it go without getting bothered and continue visualizing and feeling the emotion? So, this really does, again, go back to the idea that if you are trying to visualize something, you need to visualize it from the best case scenario, the best feeling thought for you at this time. I'll give you a prime example. I have another YouTube channel that's doing very well. It does a lot of inclusive fitness stuff. It's called All Strong Fitness if you want to go check it out. And when I was first starting out at that channel, I did not think about getting 1 million subscribers. I did not think about my YouTube channel going viral. What I thought about was simply posting a video that I felt like was decent, okay? That was the best feeling thought for me at the time. That was the best feeling course of action for me at the time. I've gotten to the point now where I built enough momentum in my content and my creation of all this that my visualizations are of my channel going viral, me holding my gold play button up on the wall, right? Little things like that would imply that I've already surpassed and my channel went viral and it blew up, right? That did not happen day one. So we need to go back to the idea. There's no specific example here, but if you have a negative thought, you need to lower the resistance by making the idea more general and making it feel good. So let's say somebody is, for example, trying to lose a little bit of weight, and it makes them feel not the best to think about, I need to lose 100 pounds to make me feel better. What's a better feeling thought? So a better feeling thought might be, I'm going to work out a couple days a week. I'm not even going to focus on my weight. I'm just going to work out a couple days a week and see what happens, okay? Try it for a couple weeks. Oh, okay, this was easy. Maybe I'll add another day. Oh, 3 days a week is easy. Maybe I'll add another day. 4 days a week. And you see it can compound over and over to infinity. This is a really, really big thing here. So you're starting out very general, very basic, and building over time is the really big thing.